What's up, guys? It's Ashane. In this video, we will be doing some unboxing to see what new things I've ordered. It's just one of those chill days. I have my cup of tea. I don't know why, I just feel like drinking green tea today. I got the toes out. So yeah, it's a good day. And don't mind my dogs in the background. So here we go with numero uno. And all of this stuff is from Amazon, so I'll put like what I ordered down in my description. If you happen to see something that you like, that you want, you know, it will definitely be in the description. So excited. Let's see what, oh yay. Okay, so you guys, I ordered a lot of like nail stuff because I want to start practicing just doing like nails in myself. And just so you guys know, none of this stuff is sponsored. I really wish it was, because if it was, I wouldn't be spending my hard-earned money, but it's not. So these are the 30 colors, multicolored, mixed colors. And they're basically just the little strips that you see whenever you look at someone's nails, and they may have like a strip line of like some type of like metallic color, or, you know, just pink, whatever color they want. But we have like a yellow. This is silver, but it has like blue, green, pink, and yellow stripes on it. This is just white. This one's silver. That's really, oh my gosh. Now this blue sparkly color is cute. Like, I can't wait to use that. Then there's a blue that's the same. Ooh, this pink one is. Y'all, I'm gonna have so much fun doing nails. Like, this purple one. I don't know why I chose to sit on the hard floor instead of the rug, because my butt's starting to hurt. Solid red, glittery red. This is like a, looks like a rose gold, or maybe it's just gold and it looks rose. Ooh, I'm so happy. Make sure I ain't messing up my speaker. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to, this is just like a rainbowish glitter color. Like, you know how like, I don't know, when you like close your eyes for a long time, you start to see those like sparkles. That's what this looks like. This came in a pack of 30. I'll just show you guys what I have. I don't have the prices on them right now, but I'll put the price in the description. So in the description, it'll have the price, it'll have the item, but yeah, it'll definitely all be down in the description. So here's our first item. I'm super excited to use these. Okay, we have our next package, which is, dun 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 dun. Ooh, I thought it was about to be the same thing, y'all. It's about to be bad. I think these are the AB crystal rhinestones, and it's a set of them. Ooh, I put a lot of lemon. Oh gosh. You guys, look how many they give you though. Like, this is a lot of rhinestones. Wow. And then I have triangular shape rhinestones. And I'll put pictures on the side too, you guys, so you can see. I have butterfly rhinestones, diamond, oval, teardrop, heart, kind of like a coffin, squiggly, and then circle. Y'all, when I say my nails about to be bomb, they about to be cute. They about to be beautiful. Okay, yes. These, y'all, I'm excited. I am so excited. Okay, so our next package, number 3. What could this be? Oops, I'm about to rip this thing open. Nail art wax picking pen. Let's open this up. Dun, 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 dun. That's what it looks like. And it comes with the wax pen. It comes with, ooh, and they give you a save 80% off on your next purchase. So that's pretty cool. Is that's what I need, some coupons. As you guys are aware, these are just the pens that you use for any of those stones that you guys seen you basically just get the pen, it sticks onto the stone, and you just put it right onto your nail. So yay. So either you can pick them up both with one side, or like one side you can use to like pick the rhinestone up and place it, and then the other one you can kind of like move it around better. Now we get into the big stuff. We get into the boxes. Let's see what's in these. I feel like it's Christmas, and I'm okay, sorry about that. I was having difficulties with the camera. So next we are into the big stuff, the big boxes. Yes. Either something in here smells really strong, or I hope nothing actually broke, because it smells like nail polish remover. So this is all of my stuff that I ordered from Valentino. They are a big nail company that provides these beautiful, beautiful nail forms. So I have my, 500 piece roll of nail forms. And then got the, ooh, this stuff is strong. Now I see what people were talking about, like how they either have to do it outside or like vent it out or something, just because like this smell is like really strong. But anywho, I got this cute blue color, cute yellow acrylic. What is it that's smelling so strong? Feels like I'm in a damn nail salon. It's exactly what it smells like. This is the Nail Prep Dehydrator. It's clear. This is what's so strong. This right here. Ugh. This is the nail liquid. And the nail liquid is basically the stuff that you dip the brush in first, and then you put it in the acrylic, dip it in the acrylic. Woo! It's this. Definitely this. Nail liquid. I have also the Super Bond. Then I went ahead and got the, is this the white powder? Oh, this is the crystal clear acrylic. I really like this, what color is this? This is the classic nude, and it was a really cute color online, so I'm hoping it comes out that way. But this is the nude, and then this is the super white color. So I'm gonna be trying to do some like ombre type things, and you know, all of that. So make sure you guys definitely stay tuned when I start doing nails. And this is the non-wipe gel top coat. All right, let's see what this is. Where is my scissors? I'm being, we'll say creative today. I don't have any box cutters. Need to invest in some, but for now I'm using some good old scissors. Okay, so first up we have the Melody Susie, and this is the nail drill. And I actually want to open this up so you guys can see it, but this is what the box looks like. I feel like a candy kid. I feel like a kid in a candy shop. The portable grinding machine, and it's also rechargeable. So here's everything that attaches to it. The drill bits, and they also come with some sanders. Now where is the tool? Aha. And here is the drill. It's about to go down, y'all. For real. And they also had like a white color, so you can get this in white or you can get it in black and white. And I was like, let me go ahead and get it in black and white, because if it's in all white, I'll probably get it dirty. So, whew. I don't realize how much stuff you ordered till it gets here. Now next, y'all, we have the glitter. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, this glitter looks amazing. Now this glitter I got for my nails, but I'm definitely probably going to be using this for my nails and my eyes. And I'll do a tutorial on this and I'll let you guys know if you actually can put this stuff on your eyes and it doesn't like irritate you or fall or anything like that, you know. So we'll see. But no, there's like a gold, silver, blue, pink, green, another like pink color. Some of these are bigger pieces of glitter, some are smaller. But yeah, this looks really nice. This is Art's Face Hair Body Nail. So shoot, I'm about to definitely put this on my eyes. But yeah, there's 12 of these. That's what these look like. Okay, and then we have more drill bits. Just because I've seen these and I was like, these look really cute. So, and then I also wanted to have like a cuticle bit, and then like a smaller, like triangular tip bit. These are the drill bits. And then these are more, I didn't think I ordered this many, y'all. This is like 4 boxes of different types of like rhinestones. Whew, it's getting kind of hot. I don't remember ordering all this stuff. No, I remember my total came up to like 190 something. And then I ordered a lamp, so that was like 30. So I don't think I did too bad. Ooh, these are cute. So these, all of these are rhinestones, and I will be including pictures so you guys can see. Oh my gosh. And then these are all silver. These are all gold. I definitely have to give these a review. Like, these are gorgeous, y'all. So I definitely will be doing like some nail tutorials and telling you guys like how long these actually stay on my nails. Because if these stay on for a long time, then I'm definitely about to invest in some more. And then here's a little clipper just to like grip the rhinestones, but I already have a tool for that, so I don't really think I'll need it. And then the last thing in this box is the 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. And this is one of the nail curers, or nail cure that I got. I like the pink one, so that's the one I got. Y'all, I got a whole nail salon, so if you ready to start getting your nails done, I'll have all my info, you know. First, I gotta practice a little bit, but then I'll be in business. Okay, last but not least, we got the big box. Don't try this at home. Okay? This is, oh, let me move this box. So this is hair. I just ordered some passion twist hair. Ooh. Oh, this floor. This is the only thing I hate about having wood. It's like any clothes you wear, like all of the dust on the floor just like absorbs into your clothes. Like it just sticks right to it. I'm like, I look like a freaking lint roller right now. Gosh. Okay, anywho, so this is what I'm most excited about, y'all. If you're wondering, what is this? Well, this is and I've been needing one of these because I'm so tired of my pictures not having enough light sometimes. So what did I do? I invested in myself and I got a freaking ring light. I'm excited to use this, y'all. Like, this is my first ring light ever. It says Feel Light and Beauty Face, Make Face and Eye and Beauty, Night Core Extreme, Multiple Color Temperature. Yeah, so it has 3 different like colors, I think, that you can set it to. Here's a little stand for it. Scoot up a little bit. And pretty sure it comes with like a, yep. And then this is for your phone. So it actually stretches out. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, so they give you 2 phone mounts. And then they also give you a Bluetooth remote controller. So that's pretty cool. And one's for if you have an iPhone and the other is if you have an Android. So they killing the game. And I think they even gave you free gift. Follow the steps, claim free gift. One way, please scan the QR code. Search. Oh wow, so some type of free gift they give you. I don't know, I have to check that out. But yeah, so you guys, this is all of my, oh, here's the remote. Ooh, almost lost that. Be careful if you do order one of these. This is from Rove Top. Again, I'll put all this stuff in the description. Make sure you guys do not miss this small remote because I almost didn't see it and that would have went in the trash. I would have been really upset. But yeah, so this is like the little cute remote. Isn't it adorable? Like, that's cute. But yeah, so this is all of my stuff that I've ordered. It's a lot. You guys, make sure you check out any of my beauty tutorials as far as hair, makeup. I'll be doing my nail video coming pretty soon. Oh, and then I'll also be doing a video on me setting up my whole little glam area. You guys, I went to Goodwill. I got a freaking table for cheap. I got a cabinet, like dresser type thing for cheap. I spent like, what, $25 in all for both of them. So I'll be shooting videos on how I basically refurbished them and made them look brand new. So those videos will be very exciting to watch. I'm very excited to make those type of videos just so I can show you guys that you don't have to spend a lot of money to still get like a glam look. You guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my other videos. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button so you are notified when I post a new video. I hope you guys really love this video. I hope you guys loved all this stuff that I got. Love you guys. Bye.